Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. Today I have a Famworth's coffee maker, and this actually does a bunch of different things. 3 brew styles, so it can do iced coffee, regular coffee, single serve. I mean, anyway, let's open it up, see everything we get inside. So right on top are the directions, so definitely make sure that we read through that and see everything that it does. Now let's slide this out. It looks like it comes out all in one piece. Let's turn it upside down. Alright. So let's open that up. This is the other side of your clamshell. Plastic out, and it has some tape on top of here to open that through. Tape on the bottom. So that's cool. That comes out. That's your drip tray, and it's got a lot of room in there. So if you're messy, definitely help you out. So this is your top, and then you have your coffee ground adapter that's in there. And it also comes with a K-cup adapter. So if you have those, put that in there. It's cool, and it's got the little piercing tool up there, so that's great, super versatile. Comes with a pretty generous length of cord, so let's plug this in. Alright, so plug that in. Alright, so obviously you want to run a clean cup through here of water just to clean the unit out. So that is your water reservoir. So let's add some water to that. And this also is taped down, so you can take this out, it looks like, for cleaning. Let's open that up. So yeah, so that lifts out, really easy for cleaning, that's awesome. Plug that back in. And then on the side it has how many ounces you can fill. I mean, you can fill it up pretty good. And then you have your size selection here on the side. So you can hit 8 ounce, all the way up to 24 ounce, back down 6, 8, 10, 12, 24. So pretty neat. And so let's fill this up. And I guess we'll fill the whole reservoir up to 24 ounces. Actually, I think we can go to 30. Yeah, so that's 30 ounces of water that it holds. Put that lid on there. And then let's choose our size. So let's go for, I guess we'll go for a 6 ounce cup of coffee. Put that in there. Let's open the cover up. And that's our coffee, regular ground one. Let's do some Cafe Bastillo. It was a little K-cup. We'll put that in there. We'll close that down. So it's good to go. And then it's going to say over ice, regular, or strong. So that's a cool, interesting settings on that. So let's go with regular. And then we'll start brewing here in a second. So it's starting to pump the water down. And as it still here pumping and starting to brew already, so that's really cool. That's actually pretty fast. And it looks like it's pumping the water as it's brewing. So pretty neat. That smells awesome. And we're almost done. Alright, and you can tell by the side that is exactly 6 ounces that it had pumped out. And basically we're just about done. And I'm going to show you. So that's 6 ounces. Oh, it smells good. That's nice and hot too. Alright, so we're going to put that off onto the side. So next we are going to make some iced coffee. I'm kind of curious how this actually works. But let's take that out. So that is your K-cup all done. So we'll throw that out. Push that off onto the side. And we're going to go get some ice and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back with some ice. Let's pour some ice in there. And I think we're going to need more than that, so give me 1 second. Okay, so let's top this off. Okay, so that is our ice cup. And we are going to let's add some coffee mix to this. Okay, so this opens up basically. You pull this up on the back and then the hinges like that. Alright, let's get ourselves a scoop of coffee. And we're going to add that to the basket. Alright, we're going to put that in here. Close that down, and we're going to select our size. We're going to do 6 ounce, and we're going to do over ice. So I'm curious to see how this is going to brew up, but let's see what it does. So that's pretty cool. Seems like it's like slow brewing into that. So that's interesting. I just, whew, it's right on the edge. So that was an 8 ounce cup, and obviously I did 6 ounces, and then with the extra ice, that kind of made it like a little bit too full. But let's, yeah, so it's nice. Pour some out here. Good thing we got that little drip tray right there. All right, let me test this. It's nice coffee, right? That's a great taste. Anyway, so like cool, it's super versatile. You can make it strong and then over ice, like whatever you choose. And I'm like, it's iced coffee. It's like really, that's pretty crazy. Anyway, what a great little coffee maker. Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.